Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to delete your Netflix account step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.netflix.com. You can also use the Netflix app, but using browser is usually faster. Next, sign in to your Netflix account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Account from the drop down menu. Before deleting your account, you need to cancel your current subscription. Scroll down and click Cancel Membership, then confirm your cancellation. And after canceling, scroll to the bottom of the account page and look for the Delete Account option. Tap it and follow the prompts to permanently remove your Netflix account. And that's it. Your Netflix account is now deleted. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.